I personally am not a fan of all of these badges and emblems, so let's get rid of them. Nice, that is so much better and cleaner. Now let me show you guys how I did it on the passenger side and then get rid of all the other badges and emblems on the car. So let's just get straight to it. Here are all the tools and things that I'll be using. I have a small little plastic pry tool here to remove the emblem off the car, specialty adhesive remover, and a rag to remove the remaining of the adhesive. And then I have rubbing compound, cordless drill, some pads, and some microfiber towels to buff it all out. So let's go ahead and get all of these emblems off the car. First thing I'm gonna do is remove the emblem. Use this plastic pry tool here, carefully and slowly insert it in between the emblem and the car. Lift it up and slowly move it off. Then I'm going to wipe the area with a wet towel. Then remove the larger remaining adhesive by finger. Then remove the rest with the specialty adhesive remover and rag. So spray just a little bit. Let it soak for a little bit. And rub it off. And that's what it looks like after removing all of the remaining adhesive. And then now let's buff it out. And then here it is, like it was never there. Nice. That's definitely gonna increase my aerodynamics and racing time. If you guys are finding this video to be helpful so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on videos like this that could possibly help you guys out. Now let's get back to removing those emblems. Now I just have two areas left to address. I have one right here at the front grille, and then of course at the back tailgate. These two guys right here. So actually, let's just get rid of these two guys right now. That is so much better. And now for the last one, up at the front grille. I believe this one is just held in by some clips. So let's get this guy off too. Okay, now let's get this guy out. Looks like there's two clips on each side that's holding it in. So I'm just gonna press that and pull out. There it goes. So the two clips, just press on it and also pull down and out with this little tab here too holding it in. Nice. Much cleaner up front on the grille, and it's going to give me 10% much more airflow to the radiator and heat exchanger. So if you guys have any further questions about the procedure, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Also, I recently sold my old Q5 a couple of days ago, and if you guys missed any or all the videos, make sure to go check out the playlist right here, because maybe one of those videos could possibly help you guys out. Also, subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.